Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to Succulents Box. Looking to care for a vibrant and healthy Guzmania hybrid? Here's everything you need to know. First off, lighting. Guzmania hybrids thrive in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch their leaves, causing brown spots or faded color. An east-facing window is ideal as it provides gentle morning sun. If you only have a south or west-facing window, place the plant a few feet away or use a sheer curtain to diffuse the light. They can also tolerate lower light conditions, but their growth may be slower. Proper watering is crucial for Guzmanias. These plants are epiphytes, meaning in their natural habitat, they grow on other trees and absorb moisture and nutrients through a central cup or tank formed by their leaves. Use distilled, filtered, or rainwater, as these plants can be sensitive to the salts and minerals found in tap water. The soil should be kept lightly moist, but never soggy. Water the soil only when the top 1 to 2 inches feel dry to the touch. Overwatering the soil can lead to root rot, which is a common issue with these plants. Guzmania hybrids prefer warm and humid conditions, mimicking their native tropical environment. They do best in temperatures between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. They should be protected from temperatures dropping below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 degrees Celsius, as cold drafts can damage the plant. High humidity is essential for their health. Aim for a humidity level of 60% or higher. If your home is dry, increase humidity by misting the leaves a few times a week, placing the pot on a tray of wet pebbles, or using a humidifier. As epiphytes, Guzmanias do not require traditional potting soil. They need a very well-draining, airy medium that doesn't retain too much water. A mix designed for orchids or bromeliads is perfect. You can also create your own mix using equal parts peat moss, perlite, and pine bark. Guzmanias are not heavy feeders. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can feed them with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to 1/4 or 1/2 strength. Apply the fertilizer to the soil and lightly spray it onto the leaves, avoiding the central cup. Fertilize once every 4 to 6 weeks. Do not fertilize during the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. Guzmanias have small root systems and prefer to be slightly root-bound. They don't need frequent repotting. You will likely only need to repot them once every 2 to 3 years, or if the plant becomes top-heavy and unstable. Choose a small pot that is just large enough to accommodate the roots, as too large a pot can hold excess moisture and lead to root rot. Follow these care tips, and your Guzmania hybrid will flourish for years to come. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow Succulents Box for more plant care tips. See you next time, and happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.